Moving forward towards the method number 2, that is by using a map method and a lambda function. So first we are going to initialize our string. After that we are again splitting that string into the after and to the before commas, and we are using a lambda function over here which is going to split it in the equal to symbol. That is, it's going to split our string into the two portions by equal to symbol, and the map is going over each and every element of our string, and the dictionary is going to convert that into the dictionary and store that into the dictionary one, and we have them as an output. Moving forward towards method number 3, that is by using an evolve method over here. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to use an evolve method over here. So what we're doing is we are just taking that each and every element of our string number 1 and converting it into the dictionary, and the evolve method is going to go through each and every element until the string 1 elements gets exhausted, and we are storing that into the dictionary 1, and we have them as an output.